Today I'm doing another what I eat in a day video that's helped me lose over 100 pounds on the WW Personal Points Plan. So if you'd like to see the kinds of food I eat in a day and what I do in a day to help me lose weight, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I am doing a what I eat in a day video. And what I woke up this morning, I started off, I had a 1 point iced coffee. And then I decided to take a walk around the lake in my neighborhood. I feel it is really important to get 10,000 steps a day. I've always found success by getting that number of steps a day. It takes weight off without cardio. And some of the ways I like to get my steps in, I like to start off my day with a walk. I'll go up to the gym. I'll walk around the track if that's available. I can walk on a treadmill. I'll park far away when I go to a store to get those extra steps. I'll do YouTube videos online in my home, like a Leslie Sandstone walk video. This morning I just walked to a WW walk talk, they call them, and I walked around the lake and got about 1.5 miles in. So that's how I'm starting my day off. And then I'm gonna go back home and start making a breakfast, and I'll show that to you here. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day on the WW Personal Points Plan, come on along and share the day with me. This morning, I'm going to make a couple pancakes out of this Kodiak cake, cinnamon and oat. You just add water, and it is 5 points for 1/3 cup. I sprayed the pan with some vegetable oil, and I'm going to scoop in pancakes. I added a little bit of vanilla, sugar-free almond milk, and some water to the batter. There's my 3 pancakes cooking. And there is my pancakes breakfast. I have 5 points worth of pancakes, 1 point for the already cooked bacon, and I'm adding some sugar-free maple syrup. This is the flavor I like to use. And then I'm gonna sprinkle the pancakes with some extra cinnamon. So that is my 6-point breakfast on this morning. The Kodiak pancakes are really good. They come in lots of flavors. I have the cinnamon oats today, but they have chocolate chip. And I like the almond that they have. It has like a little cherry taste. So if you've never tried those, give them a try. They're really good. And I think I'm gonna get a haircut today because my hair is in my eyes. There, I got my haircut. I'm happy with it. Got some layers in it. Looks cute. I can see again. And I bought a new pair of flip-flops. I love flip-flops. Pretty. Today's lunch is a little bit interesting. I made some wontons out of my leftover barbecued chicken. I put them inside of there. The 5 wontons is 3 points. And then I have some turkey pepperoni and some garlic crackers and some pickle ranch dip. This is 2 points, this is 2 points, and these are 3 points. This is 1 point. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points for lunch, my snacky lunch. And I'm also having a Diet Pepsi. For dinner, I am making some French onion chicken. I started off by pan frying 2 onions that I sliced up. Then I'm going to put the onions to the side and add my pieces of chicken breast to the pan to brown them. Then I'm going to add some spices. I like to use this blend. It's a salt, pepper, and garlic blend by Kinder's. I pick it up at Walmart. And I season the chicken with that. I also use some paprika. It gives it some color and some additional flavors. And I will cook the chicken until it is brown on both sides. Then I'm going to take a can of French onion soup and pour it into a casserole dish. I remove the chicken from the pan and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of flour to the onions, and that will create a thickening base for the gravy, so to speak. And I'm going to add a can of beef consomme soup, but you can add beef broth. I just didn't have any, and that I will cook that until it's thick. And then I'm going to add the chicken back into the pan and simmer it for about 5 minutes so it gets some flavor. And then I will add the chicken into the casserole with the French onion soup, and then I will pour the onions on top of the chicken and bake it in the oven covered with foil for about 35 minutes so the chicken is tender. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven, hot and bubbly. Normally I add cheese, but my husband and son don't like it. There is my French onion chicken meal. I have the chicken with some onions. I added the cheese afterwards because my son and husband don't eat it. So I put it on my piece of chicken and microwaved it. So it's going to be 2 points for the chicken, 6 points for the rice, 0 points for the carrots, and this meal is 8 points. Getting some more steps in the evening. Found this little lake by our house in the Metro Parks. Dessert tonight is strawberry shortcake. I have angel food cake. I counted out 5 points worth of the angel food cake, which is about 59 to 60 grams. And then we have some strawberries. We put some sweetener on it, sweeten them up, and a little bit of water to make a juice. This is going to be my dessert for tonight. And top it off with 1 point worth of sugar-free Cool Whip. And there is a yummy dessert for 6 points. And that's going to end my day of eating on the WW Personal Points Plan. So that's going to be the end of my What I Ate in a Day video for today. I ended the day using 29 personal points. If you like this kind of video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.